The fifth term of a geometric sequence is 4, and the seventh term of a geometric sequence is a hundo. Which two numbers could be this sixth term? All right, well, let's use common sense. Let's make ourselves a little table. Okay? Fifth term is 4. Sixth term, I don't know. Seventh term, 100. We know that with a geometric sequence, you need to multiply the same number in order to get to the next one. So 4, I have to multiply by something, and whatever that something is, I multiply by the same something to get 100. So 4 times something times itself is going to be 100. So how about 4x squared equals 100 is going to help us out here. So let's divide both sides by 4, like so. X squared equals 25. Now remember, when you square root both sides to solve for x, you have to attach the positive or negative. So x is going to equal both positive or negative 5, which means I can multiply 4 times positive 5 and get 20, or I can multiply 4 times negative 5 and get negative 20. So U and U are going to be my possible answers. Wasn't that fun?